have this Seat Leon Cupra. This is a 300 model from a friend of mine. He came in to have the exhaust done or swapped, how you guys wanna see. The minute only has the resonator delete. I'll be posting the sound with the resonator delete, and I'll be posting the sound with Scorpion exhaust. That's what it has in. But he's asked me for a specific job to weld all of the clamps on the Scorpion exhaust, because he wants to avoid leaks. So this car is in mint condition, and it has spent big money on brakes, and I think this is the top of the range. You can't buy any better than this. Just show you a bit from inside. Big shout out to Ruben Costa. Yeah, it's a beautiful car. I wish I can afford a car like this. Yes guys, we're gonna take the car in, and you can actually see me on the car. I'm gonna take the car in, show you what the sound like. I'm gonna show you all the exhausts and everything, so stay tuned. So this is the downpipe. It's looking really good quality. And you see the welds, it's pretty much same as my welds. The elbow there for the lambda sensor. You have this is 4-inch, it goes down to 3.5, and then it comes down and have this adapter for 3-inch adapter. I can't remember the make on this, but I think we're saying here somewhere. Yeah, truck use only. Yeah, you guys probably know this stuff, I don't. Some nice mounts on it as well. The welds inside is very good as well. I think they put the machine to purge this, so for the welds to come out like that inside, they must purge this bit here. But you see these welds, they are pretty similar is my welds. So yeah, really happy with that downpipe. And the only reason I'm things like that for sale is because I can't get the flange, this flange, and I don't have CNC machines to do these type of things. That's one of the reasons I don't do custom exhaust like for shipping and stuff like that. Because normally I have to send away the original flange to be made and things like that. So yeah, it's a bit of a headache. So now I'll show you the rest of the exhaust. So the original exhaust, it's out. As you guys can see, the catalytic converter. I thought it was going to be bigger, but it's small. I wrapped the new downpipe with some titanium wrap, and I used these zip ties or metal zip ties, whatever, but they don't hold too well, so I end up using CB boot clamps. They're much more stronger, as you can see, and the wrap only comes to here, but that because that's all it came on the package, but it doesn't really need, because this bit here goes under the subframe, so it's just to protect the heat from to transfer over to the engine. So that's the downpipe. To remove the exhaust, the catalytic converter, I have to drop the subframe just a little bit. I'll see if I can get the light. Yeah, as you can see, I took the bolt off the subframe down there. I'll release this one just a fraction, so it comes down a bit. As you can see, is out. I left the lambda sensor in place because it was easier for me. So now down to the Scorpion exhaust. You can see, to be honest, when I saw on the box Scorpion, I thought it was going to be something a bit more fancy, because if you guys look at the welds, look like MIG welding. It's not, you know, it's not, it does the job because it holds the pipe together, that's all it matters, but bloody hell, it's worse than my welds. But yeah, and the other problem with it is it just clamps all over the place. I'll show you here. So it has 1 clamp, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 clamps. 8 clamps on this exhaust. As the original exhaust, they probably only have 2 clamps. So what I'm gonna end up doing is fit it back on the car, stuck in place, then weld these bits here, weld that one there, and weld that one up the front there as well. So the ones I'll probably just leave without be welded is the tips, because customers can set them how he likes it. Or if he wants to change them on the future, he can do without messing about too much. So yes guys, just to me, just the downside is the welds, but even the quality on the stainless steel doesn't look the best. If you compare this stainless steel from the one I do my pipes, this is the stainless steel I'm doing my exhausts, so there is a bit of difference. And I have this TT I'm building the engine for 180, and look at this exhaust. You know, you can actually see pretty welds and things like that. As that one, the weld is not so pretty. Doesn't mean it's not gonna do the job, but I saw the box, oh, this is Scorpion, so it's gonna be something really stands out, but didn't really stands out on me. So yeah, downpipe gonna put back in place and crack on with it. The exhaust is all welded up, ready to assemble on the car. So let's assemble the exhaust in the car and see what it sounds like. By the way, we replace this engine mount with stabilizer with a poly bush powder flex or whatever. They're quite common to fail it, so we replaced this as well. Wasn't too difficult to replace. Just take the big bolt and pry the original bush out. This is the original bush, so as you probably can see, it's a little bit damaged already there, so we replaced with a new one, upgraded. So all the exhaust in place. We're gonna lower the car and start and see what sounds like. I might as well show you the downpipe, what's look like here. As you can see, nice and neat, all wrapped, doesn't touch in anywhere any the engine or the body. Has the wrap to protect the engine, because if you don't put the wrap, what could happen, the heat from the exhaust will transfer over to the engine, and you don't want to be doing that, or you don't want that to happening. So yeah, the car is on the ground now, and as you can see from the back, look at it, like it. Let's close the boot and start the car. Place the camera here. That is how it sounds like. Tips looking good. It was a challenge to put both exactly in the same position. It's steaming a little bit from the exhaust now at the front, because we have the wrap on there. So I'll leave the bonnet open until all the exhaust warms up and everything.
Não sei qual é que está atrás.
É um Alfa de
Ah.
esquerda.